So the problem 1 based on Lami's theorem. A ball of mass 1 kg, a ball of mass 1 kg hangs in a equilibrium from the two strings OA and OB. This is the O. OA and OB will be hangs here. Okay, two strings as shown below. What are all the tensions in the string OA and OB where G is equal to 10 meter per second? So what will happen? This is the ball. Here the ball is there. The weight of the ball, the mass of the ball is 1 kg. So the weight will be 1 kg weight, that is 1 into 10. Then G, that is the W is equal to mg. M is a 1 kg and M is a 10. As it is, we are saying that take G is equal to 10. So we are taking that 10 Newton force will be acting downwards. The weight force will be 10 Newton. So according to Lami's theorem, F1 by sin alpha is equal to F2 by sin beta, then F3 by sin gamma. Then tension T1 is a F1, T2 is a F2 and W is at T3. Then T1 opposite direction is a alpha direction and T2 opposite is a beta angle and W opposite is a gamma angle. So you have to substitute that alpha is equal to 150 degree, alpha is equal to 150 degree and beta is equal to 120 degree and gamma is equal to 90 degree. So T1 by sin 90 is equal. So you convert sin 150 is equal to sin 30 and sin 120 degree is equal to sin 60. That is sin 90. Sorry, sin 90 plus 60 degree. We get yes or no? Sin 90 plus 60 degree, or we have to taken that. We can take sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta is a 30 degree. So we can take that sin 30 degree. Here sin 90 plus 60 degree, which is sin 60 degree. So convert all silver teacup formulas. We get this formula. Sin 90 is equal to 1. So T1 which is equal to 10 plus sin 30 degree. T2 which is equal to 10 into sin 60 degree. That is 10 into sin 30 degree, sin into sin 60 degree. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 we get answer. So very simple, students. By seeing the diagram itself, we are able to understand this is a Lami's theorem problem and taking the angle accordingly and substituting the formula. So the next question is, a mass of 6 kg is suspended in a rope of length 2 meter. So the rope of length is 2 meter from the ceiling. That is from the ceiling, the rope of the length is 2 meter. A force of 15 Newton in the horizontal direction is applied at midpoint of the rope as shown in the. So the length of the rope is 2 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter. From the exactly in the middle of the rope, there is a horizontal force is acting, that is a 15 Newton. What is the angle of the rope make with the vertical in the equilibrium? What is this angle they are asking there? Again we are go for that. This is the tension T1. So here the T3 is for this. If you are pulling like this, if you are pulling in this direction, the horizontal force is acting in this direction. There will be a tension T1 acting towards the ceiling, and there is a tension T2 towards the weight of the ball. That is a mass 6 kg mass. So what will happen? This is a T1. This is a T1 sin theta. This is T1 cos theta. So what we have to do, that T1 sin theta is equal to 50 Newton, because this T1 sin theta must be equal to 50 Newton and T1 cos theta must be equal to this 6 kilogram weight. So T1 sin theta is equal to 15 Newton, which is equal to T3. T1 cos theta, which is equal to T2. 6 kilogram weight, that is 6 into G, that is a mass into gravity, 16 Newton. Then T1 sin theta by T1 cos theta, dividing both the things, 15 Newton by 16 Newton. T1 get cancelled. Tan theta is equal to 5 by 6. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 5 by 6. So we have to use a logarithmic book to find the exact angle. Dear students, if you are not at all having, just to write it as a theta is equal to tan inverse of 5 by 6. You may award it with the full mark. So very simple. So if you pull in this direction, the tension T1 and the T2 will be going in this direction. So we have to resolve these components into T1 components into T1 cos theta and T1 sin theta. T1 cos theta is equal to weight of the body and T1 sin theta is equal to applied horizontal force. Then third question. As shown in the figure, which will be shown in the next page, the 3 blocks are connected lie on the horizontal frictionless table pulled to the right with the force. The force is given 50 Newton. The masses are given 5 kg, 10 kg and 15 kg. Find the tensions T1 and T2. So remember 5 kg, 10 kg and 15 kg. The force is 50 Newton. We have to calculate T1 and T2. So there is a 3 masses, 5 kg mass, 10 kg mass and 15 kg mass. So if you are applied with the force of, what is the force value? We have a force value 15 Newton. So this force value is equal to 50 Newton. Then this weight is a 15 kg, this weight is a 10 kg and this weight is 5 kg. So what will happen? What is the total force? Force F is equal to ma according to Newton's second law. So m1 plus m2 plus m3 into a. So 5 plus everything. So acceleration which is equal to F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. 50 by 5 plus 10 plus 50. 5 by 3 meter per second square. So the acceleration of entire system A is equal to, we get 5 by 3 meter per second square. Then to find the tension T1 and T2, we have to draw the free body diagram. Free body diagram is a diagram which represents only the forces acting on that particular body. You take a mass m1. So the acceleration of all the body is A alone, because it will be connected one after another. So the acceleration is A, the tension is T1. This is a free body diagram. For second body, there will be a tension T1 here, T2 here and acceleration. So the tension T2 and there will be a force. This force will be, this is a force applying in this direction. So force in this direction. This is a free body diagram of the second, the third mass. Very simple. They are asking you what is the T1 and T2. So we have to take the first body and third body. First body is M1 and third body is M3. First body free body diagram is T1 alone. Third body free body diagram is a force F and T2 this direction. That is they are shown here. So T1 is equal to, that is a force T1 is equal to F into F is equal to MA, M1 into A. So T1 which is equal to mass, we know that, acceleration we know, substitute that. Then F is equal to, this force is equal to minus F2, then only we get M3A. So this mass M3 is moving with an acceleration A. So the total force is M into M3 into A, that will be equal to F minus T minus 2. So this applied force minus this T2, this opposing force, if you subtract that, remaining force will be a force of M3. So M3A. 50 minus T2 is equal to 15 into 5 by 3 acceleration value. By simplifying, we get an answer 25 Newton. Very simple, students. By seeing the diagram itself, we can say that the total force F is equal to MA. Calculate the A value. Then draw the free body diagram for M1 and M3 like this. And you find the answer for T1 and T2. Then the next question is, a body of mass M1 of 10 kg is placed in a smooth horizontal table. It is connected to a string which passes over a frictionless pulley. So this is a pulley, this is a mass M1 with 10 kg. Okay. Then what will happen? A body of mass M2 of 5 kg, a body of mass M2 of 5 kg will be connected here. What is the acceleration will be produced in the bodies when the nail fixed on the table removed? Here the nail is fixed. Here the nail is fixed. If you remove the nail, so this is a weight of the mass. The mass is 10 kg. Here the mass is 5 kg. Then this what will happen? According to that, it will be moved. So what will be the tension in the string during the motion of the bodies? So we have to discuss what is the acceleration as well as the tension. Very simple, students. F is equal to m2g, because what is the force here? m2g. According to gravity, it will be pulled down. So m2g. This F is equal to m1 plus m2a. This force must be equal to m1 plus m2 into total acceleration. F is equal, this force and this force must be equal. So A is equal to m2g into m1 plus m2. Substituting the m1 value, m2 value and g value, we get an acceleration. So the tension T is equal to m1a. So 10 m into, that is m is at 10 kg and A is at 3.27. We get an answer T. So very simple, students. This acceleration is downward. First you have to calculate the acceleration. How we calculate the acceleration? F is equal to ma. So F is equal to m2g is a downward force and this force also. So we have to take that m1 plus m2a is equal to m2g. Equating this equation, we get an answer finally. So very simple problems, Lami's theorem problem, and then again a Lami's theorem problem with different situations. And then you are seeing that what will happen to the blocks are connected in series. Even I will give the problems in assignments in the vertical motion. So if the three bodies are connected in vertical motion, I will give the hint also. Try to solve this problem by using this free body diagram idea. Then trolley, this will be a pulley diagram. This type of problem also asked repeatedly in the NCERT as well as NEET JEE purpose. Thank you, students.